Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is abstract. 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 Abstract can function as both an adjective and a noun, and it refers to something that is conceptual, theoretical, or not concrete. It involves ideas or qualities rather than specific objects or instances. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The artist created an abstract painting that was open to interpretation. Why abstract is used in example number 1. Abstract is used as an adjective to describe the painting as conceptual and open to different interpretations. Example number 2. The scientist presented an abstract theory that challenged the existing understanding of the universe. Why abstract is used in example number 2. Abstract characterizes the theory as theoretical and not yet proven. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.